everyone. It's Allison McDougall, and
I'm Shane Parent, REMAX River City's Platinum Team.
we're going to talk to you a little bit about what the market's been doing up until the end of October. Yeah. So I'm going to go straight into single family.
Tell me about it.
It has been very robust. So year to date, we are actually almost on par with what was happening last year. Now that's overall in the market, but single family is doing really well in terms of number of sales. So I was pulling a little bit of data. I think we're higher in number of sales in single family than we have been for the past 2 years. So we're on par for, possibly to be higher than we were in the past couple of years, and we will see how the rest of the year goes out. But I know a lot of people were talking about it being a correction, and it just seems like the demand for residential real estate has been quite high, and will continue to be with the shifts that are occurring in our economy and in the way we work. So that's kind of interesting. Average price for single family is $450,000 for a single family home. And that is up slightly over last year, about 3.5%. Additionally, days on market is down substantially to what we were experiencing this time last year. So average days on market, 48 days it'll take you to sell your home.
Good. So, yeah, that's really good to know. And so for us, I think the big story is activity, right? And so actually sales are like the amount of actual units selling is up 23%, right? Almost 24%, right? So that's the big story, is that there's still a good amount of activity, and that's compared to this time last year. Now, obviously, month over month, there's been a decrease, and that's perfectly normal for this time of year, right? So, overall in Edmonton, down about 10% as far as the activity from the previous month to October, right? And we'll see that trend likely going through for winter, right? On the condo end, it's nice to see that the prices aren't out of control. They're still down from last year, the average sale price, by 1%. And so that just gives you some perspective on how the prices are going. But as you said, days on market is down. So people are taking less time to sell their properties, which is nice to see, down from 76 last year to 59 days on market, which is a lot more in line. But yeah, not everything that's listed is selling, but it's nice to see the added activity year over year. And I think we anticipate that continuing on in through the new year. So, on a fun note, I did pull the top and bottom sales for last month, and I think, do you have the single family ones?
So single family was in, so it was just over 2 million in Cameron Heights, which is pretty common for what we see here in Cameron Heights. So that was over 2 million. And then the low end for single family was in Alberta Ave, and it was 113,000.
Okay. Condos downtown, they're the highest sale for apartment in Edmonton last month was 825,000, and in the Westmount area there is a bit of a rental unit type thing, a small 1-bedroom, 580 square feet. Got that one sold at 49,000. Okay. So kind of fun. Yeah. Well, if you want to dabble in the investment end of things, it's probably a fun little start to do, right? Low pressure. But as we always say, real estate is neighborhood specific. And if you have any thoughts of making a move, we'd love to chat with you and tell you what it would take to make that happen.
Yeah. Have a great November.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.